Hi, this is Josh with MarineMax in New York. We're looking at a brand new Ray SLX 350. This boat comes with the sharp looking hull, black with silver accent stripe. Also comes with a nice sea deck flooring. Got a fold up seat here. This will close and give you a little standing platform. Entryway into the cockpit. You'll notice hard top, extendable sunshade. Nice wraparound seating in the stone color. Is equipped with a grill and a fridge. Note the elevated sound system and a subwoofer. Just come forward to the helm. See, this boat is joystick piloted. Nice twin screen Simrad electronics. Fusion stereo. Nice space of the TV to get out of the sun or just relax. A nice size head on the other side. Plenty of room. Walk forward to the bow. Plenty of seating up here. This boat is equipped with a windlass anchor. Freshwater washdown. Really great looking boat. Color scheme is just fantastic. If you have any questions about this boat, give us a call down here at MarineMax of New York. Thank you.